are we up to? We saw the airport last time. Now we're doing something else. 911 and Voodoo Blue M4. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Took a quick break. Had to figure some stuff out. But today we're getting rid of a car and there's a new car. So stay tuned for all that. First we're gonna sell a car. Which one do you think it is? And how much you think we got? But we're headed out now, and I'll see you guys when the car is sold, and I'll show you which one it was. Take a last look at them together. One of them will be gone very soon at the bank to sell them. Which one did you think it was? 911, barely just got it, or M4, almost a year? Is it this? The nice silver interior? Maybe take a last look at it, because she'll be gone and missed. Or this one? Full Alcantara interior. Which one will it be? Stick around to find out after we're done with the bank which one's gone, and then we're gonna go to the new one, see which one that is. That will replace one of them. See you soon. Well, there. Take a last look. We just sold her. And I'll have to show you guys what the new edition is. There she goes. Maybe we'll see her in the future again, maybe not. So with all the selling that happened that day, I forgot to show you guys the actual replacement. But after the selling of the blue M4, it's gone for 100K. I think that was a pretty decent price for what the market is and everything. I sold it with all the mod stock parts. He just took everything and done. After selling the blue M4, we sold another personal car, Macan. We just gave it to Carvana because it was close to what we wanted. But with all the hecticness of selling cars, I forgot to show you guys the replacement. So I'm going to show you a photo, because there's a funny story with that too now. So here it is, Ferrari Red, 2016, with Silverstone Interior. When I saw this, I think it was perfect deal and everything. But from the intro you saw, I basically flew there. I didn't really film much. Then we drove it home for like 6 hours from LA, and then I brought it to Parts Score to start getting it looked at, doing some mods and whatever. And then I got an offer to buy it. So I basically just bought it and then sold it the next day almost. So that's not gonna happen anymore. I sold like 3 cars that day. I still have the GTS, but I don't think this is like the greatest for YouTube really. And then we got this recently. Can you guess what it is? It's better than the Macan in the same family. Let me know in the comments if you want to see what this actually is, or if you don't care at all. But I'm looking at like M4 CS F82 to get a really cheap one and mod it, because I want to do a CS conversion on the red one. But if you do the math, you just get a higher mileage CS and you get a better car pretty much. At least it holds the value after all the CS conversion mods. At least it holds its value being a CS and not a conversion that probably don't have the same value, even if you spend the same money. This is another cool photo I took before both M4s were gone forever. I don't know if it's focusing or not. Playing with the idea of doing some just exhaust mods to this car, and then finding an M4 CS. We'll just see in time. But I don't really have much to mod and stuff like that, so it's been like a month since the last video. We'll see when the next one comes out. But I really want to find a fun project that I can showcase on YouTube and do more stuff to it, because there's, with the 911s and stuff, it's one and done and it's not as exciting for people to see. But stick around for the next project coming. It'll be fun, and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.